Okay, now first take a triangle for angle. Now draw a line. Now click on the line and press Alt, then drag it to the right. Now hold the Control button and press D 10 times. Now select all the lines and rotate until it is properly aligned with the triangle. Now select all the lines and click the left button, then select Transform. Now press Copy. Now copy-paste the object once again. Now go to Transform and make the angle to 0. Now we are going to group all the lines and make 2 more copies of it because we are going to make 3 designs. Now switch off the eye of the remaining 2 layers. Now select all the lines of the first layer and take the Shape Builder tool and fill its color with black so it will be easier for us to understand what we are designing. Now click and drag according to the letter you are going to draw. Now select all the objects and ungroup them. Now take the Selection tool and select the designed objects. We have created our first logo and we are going to design 2 more. Now remove the remaining objects. Remember, we have made 2 more copies. We are going to take 1 copy for our second logo. Now we are going to make our second and third design by repeating the same process from which we designed our first logo. Design your own logo by following these simple steps for your brand YouTube channel and related stuff. You can add colors and gradients according to your choice. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to keep updated on new designs and other creative stuff. Stay tuned and be updated with us.